3.
Hi guys, welcome to the Christmas special episode. This thing that we just pulled is called a cracker. It includes a gift, a joke, and a hat. And it must be had at Christmas dinner by law.
We're gonna introduce a traditional British Christmas dinner, and it's not only the turkey.
But of course, it does include potatoes. This is the start point for Christmas dinner. Everything here cost much more than expected, so please like, share and subscribe. Merry Christmas! On the board we have parsnips, carrots, Brussels sprouts, potatoes of course, butter, sausages, bacon, cranberries and a whole fresh turkey. We're starting with the one food that everyone associates with Christmas, the turkey. You season the butter, then spread it all over the turkey. Then put it in the oven at 220 degrees for half an hour to get the golden brown colour on the outside. Then you take it out and baste it with its juice every 20 minutes until it's cooked. Now I'm going to take the turkey out, pour the juice off, add some water and reduce the heat. It's not stuck. While the turkey is cooking, prepare some veg.
Yeah.
It is standard to serve the turkey with parsnips and carrots. Apparently, the parsnips and carrots were honey coated, but I didn't know that until I watched this video. You may have noticed that the turkey has a huge hole inside of it. It's empty inside. This is so you can stuff it with the very creatively titled stuffing. We made a vegetarian stuffing using breadcrumbs, egg and onion. You can also replace the breadcrumbs with pork mince if you prefer. I was thinking, Ty, that maybe I would do a singing video with dog. Stuffing goes into the oven for half an hour, and once it's done, you put it inside the turkey. This is Toy's restaurant quality arrangement of turkey, stuffing, parsnips and carrots. What a masterpiece! And here is another Christmas classic, pigs in blankets, which are sausages wrapped in bacon, then baked in the oven. It's also almost exclusively eaten at Christmas. Isn't that a grill? And next up we have a very divisive vegetable, the Brussels sprout. So you want the turkey. This is also pretty much only eaten at Christmas time. The traditional way to cook it is with lardons or pancetta, which are small pieces of fried bacon. It tastes a bit like bitter melon, but with a totally different texture. This is constantly used in popular culture as a joke about how disgusting vegetables are, including in Harry Potter, but I actually really like them. Normally, I'm very excited about pudding, but Christmas pudding is not nice at all. The two that I have with my family, normally, are mince pies and the ridiculously imaginatively named Christmas pudding. Thankfully, Toy decided to go crazy and make something which is also traditional, but actually edible, which is surprising. This pudding is called Yule log, and it's supposed to look like a big piece of wood, but it's all made from cream and chocolate, which is obviously amazing. It consists of a chocolate Swiss roll filled with cream and coated with piped ganache. To make the ganache, heat the double cream, add the chocolate until it melts. Then put it in the fridge to solidify. The ganache was the highlight of the meal, rich and dark and delicious. Oh my god, what a mess! What is going on there? The skill required for piping is a bit like Chinese calligraphy, and as you can see here, Toy is bad at both. The final flourish is to decorate the log with icing sugar. You can't polish a turd, but you can cover it in sugar and pointless stars. Christmas would not be Christmas without cranberry sauce. It's very easy to make. You cook the cranberries in orange juice and sugar, then put it in the fridge to cool. When it's cool, you add it to the turkey. And finally, here is the finished product, our traditional Christmas dinner, at only 11 PM on the 18th of December. How Christmassy! It took Toy the whole day to cook it, so it definitely deserves some applause. Before we could eat, I was forced to light candles for no reason at all.
Yeah.
Now you can see my thoroughly inept carving. It's much harder than it looks, shut up. You only had like half an hour. Just treat it like a bitter melon Toy.
We do the sauce later.
No, this is cold. But try it before you give it to me, because you might like it. Two personal questions.
It's actually better than I thought, the turkey. It's not as dry as I imagined.
Look at that beautiful, neat, symmetrical cream fit. Oh, it's completely uneven. Good job, Toy. Not sure why this shot made it into the video. Doesn't exactly look great. Oh wow! Oh, the dark chocolate is so good.
Yeah?
Did it roll easily?
Yeah.
And this is the story of Rob's life. Toy makes a huge mess in the kitchen for her fans, and it takes Rob until 2 AM to tidy up.
Jingle bell, jingle
What are you
bell,
doing?
jingle.
Shut up! No more! Unnecessary! Thank you for watching to the end. We hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a danmu to tell us what you want for Christmas this year, and also leave a comment. The top 10 comments will receive a red pocket as Toy's Christmas gift to you.
But not including your comments though.
That's not fair! My comments are always really good!
点赞，投币，收藏 and see you next time.
Bye.
That was quite funny, not my hot joke.
Yeah, smooth.